So there's a lot going on in this problem, and the first thing I want you to concentrate on is to notice that in the denominator here, I have something that should look very familiar. It's a function transformation, but it's not in the right format. It doesn't have this format, so that means that I need to get it into that format before I do the analysis. So I need to take out the negative, and it then becomes this equation here. And so that's what I've done in the second line. I've replaced it with the standard format for function notation. Now the next step is to analyze what we're going to do first in this problem. The 3 and the 5 here, the 3 and the 5 are outside of the function, so they act vertically. Everything here is done first. Inside the absolute value works like brackets, so you're going to do what's inside the brackets first. And first step is the negative there, which is a reflection in the y-axis. So that means that the positive 8 becomes negative 8. Then you're going to go minus 1, x minus 1 means right 1. So that's negative 7, negative 5. This is down 2. So negative 7, negative 7. So now I've done everything inside the absolute value, in other words, inside the brackets. And so now I deal with the absolute value. So I'm going to take the absolute value, and remember it's the absolute value of the y value only. So that's why at that point, the negative 7 stays, that's the x value, but the other value becomes positive. Next step is I'm going to do the division. And the division in this function notation means I'm taking the reciprocal. So that's negative 7, 1/7. So it's the reciprocal again of the y value only. So now I've done the division. The next step is to tackle what do I do with this 3. It's a vertical expansion. So that means the y value gets multiplied by 3. And then up 5 means the y value increases by 5. So adding 5 to that, and if you find a common denominator and add, it will be 38/7.